bad chick, I could be a fantasy. I can tell you got big, big energy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nail by Chris. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. If you are new, hey boo, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, please, and thank you. Okay, I hope you guys are doing well. But first, we're gonna get to these nails. So, we are going to be doing a marble pink and white ombre today. So, as you can see, I already basted my nails with the Core Clear Young Nails. Well, yes, it's already based, and I've already did that part. We're only doing the design part today. So the polishes that I'm going to be using for my swirl art will be the DND Spice Brown and Eggshell. And then I'm going to go ahead and swing through with the Extreme Gel Super White polish, gel polish. So we can create our design today. And then I have this a mix. Now y'all, this is by Young Nails. I just mixed up some of their powders and just like did whatever I did because I wanted to create a neutral nude powder that was kind of more closer to the natural nail bed of the nails. Truthfully, it looks different in comparison to a skin tone, I've noticed, but it's just an all-around really nice natural nail powder that I just kind of just mixed up. But anyways, you guys, so I don't know if you guys are new to this or true to this, but as nail techs, you know, we've always started out with that whole 90s style Asian traditional marble swirl nail art. So that's kind of like what we're getting into today because that's what my client requested. And she wanted to make like a whole ombre nail out of it as well. So she wants to do browns, so I just picked some browns and we're just gonna mix them and swirl them and see how it goes. But for the most part, this design is very, very easy, very, very, very simple. All you have to do is basically blot some dots on the nail because you want to create that swirl. Like you want it to kind of like, you know, mesh together. I don't know if I'm explaining it correctly, but like in order for, you know, you have to put big globs in order for them to like kind of come together and kind of like do its own thing. But what we're going to do is we're going to dot all around it with the dark brown and the tan and the white, and we're just going to swirl on through there and try to create like a marble effect. You know what I'm saying? Which is why you create big globs, because they kind of like drag, kind of go into each other. I don't know if I'm necessarily using the correct term, but you can see how like it blends more like whenever you add more color to it. And then of course, as you're finishing, all you have to do is kind of wipe the sides. But as you can see, I don't do too much with it. Like you don't want to do too much with marble because you want to keep it pretty simple. And give it that simple marble effect, and because you want to be able to kind of see like, you know, those lines and like just, you know, a little bit of detail, you know what I'm saying? So also whenever before I do my ombre, of course when I go closer to that blending area, I blend out the colors a little bit, because if you don't do that, you're really gonna see like the lines whenever you place your acrylic powder, and you don't want to see that. So just go ahead and kind of like tap and like blend those colors as you go. But yes, this is like a pretty simple nail art. I want you guys, like if you're watching, if you're doing, you know, practice with me and do this. Like all you have to do is like a little swirl. I am using my iGel Beauty LED/UV light. You guys can have, I hope you guys have seen my latest tutorial on that. This is actually a really good light. It cures white and black very well, because you know I've had that issue in the past with lamps that I've just bought off Amazon, you know what I'm saying, instead of just ordering even though I bought this lamp off Amazon as well. You can order professional nail drills on Amazon, but I wasn't ordering professional nail drills at first. So this lamp definitely cures polishes way better than those $40 lamps that you will buy off Amazon, and sometimes even the lamps that you buy in the nail supply stores, because it really just depends. I would just advise you to go with a professional brand, somebody who's more known, and also make sure that they're offering a warranty for if their product becomes defective. Like, you don't want to just be ordering something just because of a name. Like, you want to make sure that it works properly. And like I said in my vlog about this lamp, like, I was using my coworkers just to make sure it cured all colors before I even considered purchasing. But yeah, y'all, this nail design is pretty simple. It doesn't take up much time. All you have to do again is lightly swirl and make sure you blend before you add your acrylic. So you guys, I'm gonna let you continue to watch the rest of this tutorial, and you know, let me know how you feel in the comments just about my method. And you know, if you have any questions, just let me know.
Yeah, look. I pity the nigga that stepped to me though. Flow too clean, I'm bite by new tuxedos. Been the shit since now later, popping and buying hot Cheetos. Shit a free throw, easy. Please believe me, baby. Bought a Tesla, bought a Rolex watch, and I ain't dreaming, baby. Scheming, maybe. Dina raised me. Really from the section with them killers, drug dealers, thug niggas. Never got a help from pops, they need some love, nigga. Liquor messing, not the pain, so pull up, nigga. Not too far from it, everything I done seen and done it. Late night running, hitting houses and police cuffing. We ain't have nothing, house was cold, we were open oven. Now we eating good, just hold ice, let's put buns in oven. Bakeries, linked up with Quentin and started making cheese. Sushi overseas, the server, she speaking Japanese. Flights to Paris, I'm at the Louvre to see Mona Lisa. Got a that Sonata with ripped seats and oil leaks. Kicking shit like Messi, little nigga, you shouldn't test me. Right so good, just started working on my lefty. I'll be climbing up the charts if these niggas let me. Getting everything that's mine, I'm charging niggas levies. Fuck relaxing, man, I stay in action. Natural believer got me feeling like Imagine Dragons. 2017, I quit my job because it had to happen. Make my daughter proud, look at me, this your daddy rapping. Ooh.
Let me hear that back. I just said that ain't nobody else in the studio but me. I record myself, and I make the beat.
Bitch!